What's up, guys, and welcome back to All Access Media. So Cardi B had her performance at Rolling Loud in Thailand, and a lot of people feel like the crowd was dead. Some people even said that she left the crowd disappointed. One person in the comment section said, "Who cares? The crowd was dead. She had a great performance and looked very good." Someone else said, "That crowd was drier than a Popeye's biscuit." Someone else said the silence was loud, and another user commented and said, "Rolling silence instead of a rolling loud." Now, she did have a good performance, and it seems like a lot of people didn't know the songs, I guess, because you can see some clips where people were actually hyped. There are some clips that are going on social media where the crowd was dead and not even just enjoying the performance at all. But anyways, Cardi B did go live after this to talk about her performance.
So I was really scared to come out here, but it's like I'm really grateful that I was able to sell out and thousands of people to come out to see me. And I haven't put out a song in so long. It actually boosts my confidence because it just showed me it's like, bitch, you got this shit, put your shit out. I know I have great music. I do feel like I do have great music hidden in me. I just gotta put it out, and I will put it out. I promise that to my fans. But I just want to say thank you so much, Thailand, because I'm really grateful. Oh my gosh, guys. I told y'all that I've been really positive and really I don't know, like a bright light. Today I woke up and I looked outside and I'm like, yo, this place is so beautiful. And I'm so far away from home, and I'm in a country that is like this is my first time in Asia, and you guys know that I'm a big historian, and I just study countries so much, and it's I finally am here, and it's just I'm not here for a vacation. I'm not here. I'm here because thousands and thousands of people want to see me, and I'm just really grateful for that. It's I was talking to my hairstylist from the Bronx, and it was just sharing our different stories, and it's just yo, we really fucking here. We really fucking here, and we really made it, and we have gone through so many shit, and it's just I'm here, and I'm just so thankful and grateful for that. God has really blessed me so much that it's I don't know, I really be feeling I have well, my life ain't perfect, but I just feel wow, I really have the life that I always wanted, and I'm really thankful and I'm grateful, and thank you so much, Thailand. And yes, to my fans, I love y'all. I know y'all running out of patience, but I got y'all, and thank you. But remember, if you are one of those superstitious people and y'all do the dreaming stuff and whatever the fuck, send it to me. And yes, I love you. Bye. Yeah. Oh, thank you, rap. Thank you so much. Thank you, the real Woody. No, I'm about to get emotional because it's just I don't know, it's those all these messages is I just be feeling what is God trying to tell me? You know what I'm saying? What is God trying to tell me? You know what I'm saying? It's I don't know, it's is there a message, or it's just it's just nothing? Is it in your head or something? I don't know. But yeah, whatever.